I'm Mark LaMancha. I'm the head coach of the Humtown Products team. Today, we're actually here at our additive facility where we manufacture 3D sand printed cores. We have the most machines and are the largest 3D sand printing company, in the world right now. These printers are printing and we're shipping parts all over the world. Additive manufacturing was considered only for prototyping, and actually Humtown with the YBI and YSU actually commercialized 3D sand printing. I think it's important for any company you come to that they're not just working on now, they're working on the future. And that's what we're doing by following this all the way through, to the 3D metal printing. But we're also looking at cement printing and other materials that we can print. When I go through, what I'm looking for are what you would call bottlenecks, things that are slowing down the team. I don't see problems as problems, I see challenges, and then I look for the expertise and the interest of different team members, and we'll collaborate. I call it sort of like a huddle. How can we make a touchdown out of this situation that's going on in the plant? Better isn't better. Bigger isn't better, but the differences inside of each one of my team members, including myself, when we unite those, we usually tackle, a challenge in a very short order. The other thing is to be an encourager and a cheerleader in everything that they're doing.
My name is Brandon LaMancha from Humtown Additive. I get to work with customers on a daily basis here at Humtown. I come in the morning, I look at what parts I have to quote for customers on my computer. I fill out those quotations, get them to the customer so that they can process orders and we can start producing parts for them. They have a 3D digital file that they want to be produced, and through computers and technologies here at Additive, we're able to 3D print those parts for them. We used to use subtractive manufacturing. We would basically take a large chunk of material and use a cutter and whittle that down to the shape we needed. Now, using additive manufacturing, what we're able to do is start with nothing and only build the parts that we need. I was in an apprenticeship program and I learned CNC machining when I was in high school, and from there I went to Kent State University, did some blueprint reading classes, and then I went to Youngstown State University to do basically a crash course in MBA. What I enjoy most about my career that I've chosen here at Humtown is the ability to do something new almost every day. I have a wide variety of customers, so I get to work with people that make planes, trains, automobiles, boats, motorcycles, and things that you can't even imagine. So having the variety for me is very important. If you have good people skills, obviously you need to be able to understand how to use the computer, and there's so many software packages out there that make that so easy. It really boils down to, in my world, it's a game of people and understanding and working with them. I feel that one of the best things that you can do to get into the additive manufacturing or customer service and sales role is to go and make sure you really enjoy it. We have America Makes, we have the Youngstown Business Incubator, all of these organizations, especially YSU. These resources are at your fingertips that many people in the country do not have. So be sure to reach out and utilize all those resources. We are just at the forefront of additive manufacturing. Even though I've been doing it now for 8 or 9 years, we're just scratching the surface of what is possible. We're taking young engineers that are graduating from school and we're showing them what is able to be done with this technology, and their minds are just going in so many different directions so quickly. New engines, new components, things that we never thought we were able to make. Our imagination is going to take us to places where we never thought we could go, and it's very exciting. So it's a great time to be getting into additive manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Brett Baker. I'm the A-Line production coach here at Humtown Products Additive. Typical day here. I will get here roughly at 11:30 p.m. Look around, check the machine, see if there's anything that needs sand added, any chemicals. Check with the coach I'm taking over for to see if there's anything in particular we need to concentrate on. I'll continue to do then if any, say, printers are done, run out the job boxes. I will clean it and restart it if necessary. I grew up and worked on my family farm exclusively most of my adult life. A high school graduate, some college. We do train you, so that's great. We do have excellent on-the-job training. Started out over at the conventional production, my quality was good, and the coach liked the fact that he could send me off to do a job by myself. And when this position opened up, and so I volunteered for it, and my other coaches liked it, so they gave me a chance, and here I am. Do well in school, definitely punctuality, work on your people skills, be reliable, and you'd be surprised how far you can go. This is a good company to work for, and like I said, it is great to see something just, hey, that looks familiar actually. Yeah, okay, I know how that got made.
My name is Lisa Teague. I'm a finisher here at Humtown Products. A typical day for us is to come in and find sand cores that need to be finished, packed out, and sent out to the customers. The finishing process consists of beginning to take the loose sand off of the core part that you're working on. You visually have to inspect the entire part for any kind of imperfections, any kind of print problems. So you need to be familiar with the part that you have. So it's a lot of detail in finishing to provide the right product for the customer. My background initially was auto mechanics. So as far as some of the tools that we use, air, cranes, different kinds of equipment, I was familiar with all that stuff. Your basic math, measurements, size, those things play in. A lot of it is really just an eye for the part that you're working on, and that's repetitively with having 200 or 300 of those parts. I do like the work. It is rewarding to finish your work at the end of the day. It's exciting because we have something different to work with all the time, and it's a start to finish job. It's not a job that you just come in and do one task over and over again. You get it from start to finish. So for me, there's a accomplishment there when it's done and done, packaged, and ready to be turned in to be shipped out. Research. Go on YouTube. There's a lot of different references, different places we can go. That's how I found out about Humtown, is I watched every video that they had, and I thought, wow, I'd really like to do that. You know, try it, see what it's about. The tours are great for people. They come in, they actually see what we're doing and how things work and the dynamics of things. And you can learn a lot by just watching.
We're excited that we continue to work on things that help us scout out team members like you that someday can play on this manufacturing team and be able to take your life to a whole new level. You should never settle for something that's just a job. A job is something where you can't wait to come home and you can't wait to retire. A career will have interest, purpose, passion, and engagement, and you'll feel like you never work a day in your life. You need to find a place where you have that interest, passion, and the purpose and the engagement, and we hope it's here.